Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be going through the major significant changes that have come on the Note 20 Ultra with the One UI 3.0 beta version. So the first change that you can see when you open the phone with the 3.0 beta version is the fingerprint sensor icon. As you can see here, the icon is now a little different. The size is increased and all the icon design has changed, and also you can see that now you can add widgets to the lock screen. The new addition to it is the screen on time, also the digital well-being. So you don't have to go back to the setting to see how much time you have spent on the phone. You just can see that directly on the lock screen now. And apart from that, you can see what all other additions are there to the lock screen. You can add the Bixby routine, weather, next alarm, today's schedule, and music. Coming back to the lock screen, you can see that the number pad has been changed. It is now looks very similar to the iOS types, but I like it better than the previous one because it gives a much cleaner and simpler look. Now coming to the main home screen, here you cannot see the difference very drastically because it's the same as it was in the One UI 2.5. But when you bring down the notification panel, you can see that it blurs the background. Instead of just making it totally black or white depending upon the theme you had, it now blurs the background very slowly, and that looks really nice. So the blurring of background is there. And not forgetting, one of the main features that has been introduced in the One UI 3.0 beta version is the double tap to sleep. Yes, now you can do that in the Samsung phones finally. Double tap to sleep. It is very convenient. You just don't have to press the power button again and again. Double tap and it goes to sleep. Next, coming on to the other visual change is the volume button. As you can see now, the volume setting is just beside the volume buttons. So it's very convenient if you want to increase or decrease the volume. You don't have to, reach your hand. You can just do it like this. You don't have to reach your hand here where it was before. So it's just very convenient to do the volume setting here. Now if you press the volume setting, the three buttons, you will see all the various settings, the alarm, Bixby, normal sound profile, and everything. Coming back to the widgets. Before, we used to add the widgets like this. We used to search them here. If you wanted, for example, widget of Netflix, then you had to search here in the widget settings, then add it. But now it's very simple. You can directly go to the Netflix app, and as you can see here, there's a widget. Just click it and you'll directly get that. So you don't have to search anymore. Just add it and your Netflix widget is here on the screen. So this is also very nice addition to the One UI 3.0. So coming on to some minor changes that I've noticed in the One UI 3.0 beta version is the recent apps. As you can see, it has a new look now. The recent apps, no, it's not the way it was before, and it's very nice actually. It's very smooth and feels very nice. The animations are very good in this. Then something that is quite different in this update is also the settings. Now the settings menu is more detailed, and also it gives a little subheading on what it really has inside it. So that is really a nice addition. One more new addition that has happened with the 3.0 beta version is the battery. Now the battery shows you the exact amount of time the phone was on since the last charge. Instead, the way it was there in the version 2.5, it had these graphs that you can see here. So they have given a choice now. If you want to see the graphs, you can have that look, or if you want the nice version where you can see the screen on time, you have that look. So it shows you the amount of time that has passed since the battery was charged full. So now it's showing 45 minutes ago. So I really miss this because it makes it easier for you to know how much amount of screen on time your phone is giving. So this is again a very welcome addition. So coming on to the next change that I observed, like before, when you wanted to edit the photo, like for example, you go here and just change it to some other filters that you like change it to warm, then you saved it. What it used to do before is it used to save another copy of the image that was there before, but now it saves on the same image. But if you regret that editing and you want to go back to the previous message, then this new version of the update gives you a chance to revert it back to that. So just click revert and it reverts back to the original. So this is a very welcome addition, because you will not have copies of images which you don't use. You can either have the new one, the edited one, or you can revert it back to the old version. So this is something that is really a nice thing, because it saves a lot of memory. But as I don't like this edit, I will just go back to the revert to the original and save it. So yes, it's back to the original picture, and this is one more addition to the One UI 3.0 beta. Also, if you are a user of Bixby, you will notice was this one new thing with the new version is the animation has changed. As you can see, the animation is totally changed, and I don't like Bixby that much, so I don't use it. But as you can see, it is reading all what I say very clearly. So I think I should give it a try. It's quite good. One more addition that many people were asking, that was to change the call background. Some people want the picture of their contacts. They wanted that to come on the call background. So now with version 3.0, they have done it. You just have to go to the keypad, dial pad, go to the settings, then go to call background, and then the background option, and you have the option to change whatever background you want, either video or a picture. So just press the plus button and you can get to the wallpapers or the person's photo you want. Click it, and as you can see, the call background has totally changed, and whenever the next call comes, you will see this background. So that is all with the latest One UI 3.0 beta version. It's the first update, so many more updates will be coming which will make it even more better. But for now, these are the significant changes that I could observe in the phone, and it's really nice. It's the first update and I couldn't notice much bugs in it. So this time's beta version is really good. All apps, everything is working. So yeah, that's all for the video. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Thank you.